Here was also have a birdie's nest right here. This is our antenna for the WR120.
Here is a look at the weather.
What was that? Oh man.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in central Virginia, west central Richland County in central Virginia, northwestern Powhatan County in central Virginia, southeastern Fluvanna County in central Virginia, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Union, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Columbia around 3:20 p.m. Duncan and Lakeside Village around 3:25 p.m. Cartersville and Fife around 3:35 p.m. Trenholm around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Dixie, Hatteras, Stage Junction, Shores, Central Plains, Bremel Bluff, Tamworth, Caledonia, Elk Hill, and Cohasset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Thank God I found out what this thing is.
Northwestern Powhatan County in central Virginia, southeastern Fluvanna County in central Virginia, until 3:45 p.m.
Nice. Hi. Good boy. Get the Kevlar. Get the Kevlar. What's he doing? It's just a good boy. Leave your tongue out.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in central Virginia, Richland County in central Virginia, Powhatan County in central Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fife, Oregon, 9 miles west of Goochland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trenholm around 3:35 p.m. Goochland around 3:50 p.m. Powhatan around 3:55 p.m. Sabo around 4:05 p.m. Manatee around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Crozier, Rock Castle, Maidens, 3 Square, Irwin, Johnson Springs, Fine Creek Mills, Michelle, Westview, and Altna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fluvanna County is canceled.
Dang it!
At 2:54 p.m. A strong thunderstorm will affect northeastern Cumberland, Goochland, northwestern Powhatan, and southern Fluvanna counties.
Yo, the freaking way my cat reacted was amazing! Yo, look at, look at this storm. There's white spots. That's a lot of damage. Hey, Mom. I don't mean to impede your work, but Squeaker was in my room when all my radios went off, and his reaction was priceless. Oh. Looks like the storm has moved on. Get the frick out of my way. Stop tripping on me. That happened. Hope it's not the last warning. Warning from Blacksburg. Yes, I have like radars set up everywhere. Literally everywhere. Slight chance of thunder.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond in central Virginia, Chesterfield County in central Virginia, southeastern Goochland County in central Virginia, central Henrico County in central Virginia, southeastern Powhatan County in central Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moseley, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing large hail and damaging wind gusts. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Moseley around 4:10 p.m. Chesterfield Courthouse around 4:30 p.m. Bellwood and Bensley around 4:35 p.m. Chester around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Goodwin Store, Flat Rock, Winterbuck, Richmond Heights, Pilkington, Midlothian, Montrose, Sublitz, Pocahontas State Park, and Skinporter. People at Chippenham Hospital, Bon Secours St. Francis, Johnston Willis Hospital, Hunter Holmes McGuire Virginia Medical Center, and St. Mary's Hospital should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The National Weather Service in in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Alrighty, so we're going to see the damage. Unlock. Oh my god. What the heck? You're much heavier than usual. I am blind now. The bird still has not come back from its nest, unless it just keeps hiding from me. Look at that. All the pollen is knocked down. Heck yes! Alright. Holy crap, that's colder. So, yeah. Okay, guys, damage report. Move the frick out of the way. Wow. That's actually a fair amount of damage. I guess, technically. Big, huge freaking branch over here. Huh? I guess you could say the wind blew kind of the stuff down. Ooh, this soft one, you know what that means. Aw, man, it didn't explode. You know what? You made me really mad. You're supposed to explode like this. No. There we go. That's damage. Okay. Sorry if the frame rate changed. So overall, this looks like a good amount of damage. But anyways, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you want more freaking awesome EAS stuff like this, definitely drop a like on the video. And if you want more EAS content like this, definitely click that subscribe button. And if you want to suggest any awesome EAS videos, definitely leave a comment down. And if you want to suggest any awesome EAS videos, definitely leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next EAS video. Bye.